I bought this classic old school Jaguar for only $2,000, about 2% of its original sticker price, with the intention to make it my new daily driver. Obviously it was in pretty rough shape, but my goal is to fix everything that's wrong with it both mechanically and cosmetically. When I bought it, it was leaking oil, smoking when the engine is running, and looked pretty ugly in the back with the paint being completely baked in the Arizona sun. In this video, we will fix everything that's wrong with it, and by the end of the video, I will give you a full breakdown on the budget and how much exactly this car cost me to make it a new daily. Welcome to the third episode of Jaguar series, where we are reviving the classic Jag from early 2000s. I'm literally documenting the whole journey, how I found this car, how I bought it, how I drove it 120 miles while the engine was smoking, everything that is wrong with it mechanically and cosmetically, and all of that in the previous two episodes. If you haven't watched those yet, please go and watch it after watching this video. But the first thing on the agenda for this video is to go and pick it up from my paint guy Ramy and see what kind of job he did for only $600. Let's go. Bro, wow, this looks so, look at this beautiful job you've done, brother. I love it. Look at this gorgeous, elegant, beautiful, classic, poundable ass. And you did such a good job, bro. I love it. You always do. Look at this. I love it. God, it was so poor looking before.
The stress. I'm feeling lighter. I'm finally feeling like I can breathe. The night is calling. Tension, gonna blow in the breeze. We're rolling downtown. We're grooving.
Dude, I seen it, brother. You like my videos, bro?
I love it,
Have you checked my YouTube videos?
It's awesome.
Yes, hell yeah.
Drone shots, everything.
Oh,
great.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate you. I'm just doing it for my audience, bro. I just wanted to be engaging and interesting.
You.
I appreciate it. I'm so
Awesome,
grateful and humbled.
Man.
Nice seeing you, brother. Hi.
You need to pay, man. I need to pay you.
Oh.
It's now popular.
Yeah. I'm so happy. This is incredible. I love it, man. It was looking so terrible before, but look at this now. Wow. Okay, so 300 more, right? Altogether, 600. 300, brother.
Thank you.
I appreciate you, bro. What a great job Ramy did, didn't he? Now, while we're still waiting for parts, let's go and see if we can pass the inspection. Because I'm gonna have to register this car, and this has to go through inspection, through the smog test here in Arizona. Let's see if we can pass it as is without fixing any oil leaks.
I'm living in a fantasy. Come on and take a ride with me. I'm trying to put your mind at ease. Come on and get down with me. We're rolling down, grooving to the sound. We're rolling downtown. The weekend's here and it feels so right. I think I'll break the skins out tonight. I'm gonna go out and have a good time. Ain't nothing gonna stop me tonight. We're cruising by the sea.
2003.
All right, on the board. There we go.
Good?
Go out and have a good time. Ain't nothing gonna stop me tonight.
Yo guys, it passed the smog inspection as is, without having anything fixed really mechanically. And this is such great news. Now with peace of mind, I know for sure there's not much going on issues wise with this Jaguar, which I'm tremendously happy about. Now let's go and register the car. Since we have the inspection done, now it's really easy to get the title going and register the car and see how much it's gonna cost. Let's go. Hi there. I'd like to register my car. Pass the emission, bill of sale, personalized if you do this? You think it's possible or it's taken?
We can check. It looks like it's available.
All right, there you go.
$96.75 with cash.
So this is 96. Look at that, the exact amount. And this is 96. Check this out. Not only I registered the whole car under $100 here in the state of Arizona, but also the specialty plate was included in that 96.75 amount. Name me a better state than Arizona to register cars. Wow. Magic Mike. You dive in right into it, bro. How you been?
I've been good. How are you?
Oh, I'm great, man. Are you excited? What do you think of this car?
I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Color green.
You're always so positive, bro.
I've never done a Jaguar this color before, so
It's a ultra rare color. This is Jaguar's flagship color, by the way. From my research, like $9,000 is an option color. This is incredible. It's incredible, stupid, but I'm so happy with the depreciation I can get this car. Look at this color. And Raimi did such a good job painting it. Look at this in the back. Now there's a bunch of stuff happening here, obviously. It's disgusting. It's dusty, all the scratches everywhere. Yeah.
make it look half as good as he has it.
Okay, no, you're gonna do really good. I'm excited for it. By the way, one of my subscribers showed up the other day and you cleaned up his car, Bargav. How long you been watching my videos?
It's been about, I think, 3 or 4 months now.
I love it, man. Thank you. Tell him to subscribe, bro.
Yeah, everyone subscribe to Red. He is the best YouTuber out there.
Oh no, you gotta stop.
No, honestly.
Magic Mike, please
he
treat
is.
him, okay? The way you treat me.
Yes.
And he was so grateful. You want to say thank you to the audience that's been showing love to you?
Thank you very much, audience, for showing love to me, and I certainly would love to reciprocate and pay you back.
Oh, you're so sweet, brother. I love it. I still want to give you, obviously, I'm going to tip you on this because since I'm documenting the whole thing, but just tell him I'm not exploiting you again.
I tell you, it's like I should be paying him.
No.
I
This
love what I
is,
do. It gives me purpose.
yeah, we're serving each other. And
What comes around goes around, and it really has gone around.
I
So,
appreciate that, Mike.
it's
I
worked really
love
well.
having you on my YouTube, Magic Mike.
Thank you very much.
All right, well, do whatever you can. I know you do your magic on this Jaguar for sure.
I always say the prayers first.
Let's go. You think you can remove this? Look at this. All of the scratches?
Well, I've done it before.
Yes, you have. Let's go.
So, if I can, I better get off the next exit.
Almost done. Hey, I know you wanted to be very generous with me, but you work hard all day. This is your tip. Please. Besides the people that I'm bringing your way now, I appreciate you for working so hard, man.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah,
God bless you.
absolutely. We're gonna keep doing this, bro. I love collaborating with you.
I right back at you. I feel at home. You know, I do. You're a great guy. And I'm blessed to know you.
Oh, thank you, brother.
I mean it, brother. I really do.
Thank you.
I wish I could do your workouts too.
Oh, I truly appreciate you for all of the work you've done for me so far.
welcome. You're so
We're gonna keep doing this.
welcome.
Magic Mike.
I appreciate. I like.
You do your magic and I absolutely love it.
I appreciate that very much. I really do. I can't tell you.
Magic Mike did such a great job as always reviving this cool old school Jag on exterior and interior as you saw, but no rest just yet. I'm actually waiting for my mechanic Rob to show up because we still have some mechanical issues to fix. And with that being said, I got all my parts ready to go. Oil, the coolant, brake seals, hood struts, oil filter, the rear struts, valve cover gasket, and a couple more. And all of that, believe it or not, cost me $360 or so. Absolutely insane, absolutely beautiful. And speaking of numbers, I will give you the full breakdown, the full budget on how much this Jaguar is costing me in total. But for now, let's again meet Rob. Rob, nice seeing you, brother. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. So I have all of the parts ready to go. See? We're gonna start with the hood struts, right? How long do you think it's gonna take, the whole thing?
The whole thing, we got about 2 hours.
Really? That's it?
At the most 3.
And we're gonna clean up all those oil leaks, old oil leaks around it too, right?
Every.
I love it, man. What do you think of this oil, bro? The old oil.
I don't think it gets too older than that.
Bro, it looks nasty. What the hell is this? All right, bro, as always, you've done a great job. No need for this anymore. We got this hood struts going. What's the damage now, bro?
The usual valve covers 150. Brakes, instead of the 50, since we're doing more stuff, we'll just do 25 on the brakes, half price on the brakes. So that's
Okay.
175, and then the other stuff, we'll just call that 75 bucks.
So altogether, how much is it?
250.
250?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then tomorrow we'll just do the strut.
All right. So with struts altogether, how much is it going to be?
325 is 75 for the struts.
325. Okay. So I will give you 300 right now.
Do that.
And then tomorrow, you said 325 total, right?
Yep.
So and tomorrow, once you get the 3 struts done, then I'll give you extra. Sounds good?
Appreciate you.
All right, bro. See you tomorrow morning. And now it is time for the numbers. I know you guys enjoy when I give you the full breakdown of the budget on each car that I buy. And here on my iPhone, in my notes, I have precise numbers down to pennies on how much exactly I'm into this cool classic Jaguar. And now with Rob basically finishing his labor on fixing mechanical issues, I have basically all the numbers. So car itself cost me $2,000, all the parts from eBay, and then oil filter, coolant I had to buy here locally, even the lift ride that I had to take to go and grab the car from Ramey, emissions, registration, specialty plates, all of that, as you see on the list, came down to $3,744.30, all into this Jaguar. A little under $4,000. I'm actually very surprised because I thought it would cost me at least $4,000 or a little more, but I'm kind of low below it. But I'm somewhat way below that. What do you guys think? Pretty cool, huh? For such a cool daily driver. At this point, this Jaguar has been revived and it's back to its former glory. As I start driving it, I might find more issues here and there, but at this point, I think it's fully ready to go and roadworthy. Again, all of that for under $4,000. Now, name me a better car, a better looking car than this for under $4,000. I'm serious. Please, in the comment section, give me another example. And speaking of that, if you actually want to learn how I do what I do here on YouTube, you guys have been watching me now for a while, nitty-gritty car flipping and car hacking, and actually doing it all with human psychology touch, the way I negotiate deals. I recently created a community where we can all get together and talk not just cars, but also build friendships with like-minded people. And in that community, not only are you gonna have access to all the course videos, step-by-step, the way I do car deals, but also you have access to each other so you guys can learn together, teach each other, build friendships, and all of that will be supported by Q&A bi-weekly Zoom calls that I am personally gonna be running and answering any questions that you might have. Check the Car Lab community with the link in the description below. But in the coming episode of Jaguar series, now we're gonna go out there in the world and actually ask people around what they think of this car. And do we actually have a cool car perception on the example of this car that costs us under $4,000. And if you haven't seen previous episodes yet, please check them out here, and I'll see you in the next one.